We got a 2003, basically from a 2011. We are going to install a stereo, so double din Pioneer stereo. So in order to do it, you want to remove copper screw right here. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna start kind of step by step. I'm gonna try to make it short, but step by step how to get it going. So starting from here, I'm gonna use a 7mm and attach to right here. You can use whatever tool you prefer as long as it's a 7mm socket or wrench. I'm using this, it's a lot faster. Now I'm starting using the door trim remover. Put it down here, pry it a little bit, meaning no more than an inch, just about half, that way you're not trying to break anything right here. And then I come over here and start doing the same thing. Gently, okay? Right there, you hear that clip just come right out. And then you want to walk it, basically kind of move it a little bit at a time over here. See how it's coming off? And you got to be careful, this wood grain, it can crack easily. I'm going to use my finger down here like this and kind of pry it a little bit, see if I can do that. And right here, try not to break that part. So that's pretty tight. You know, this is an older car and it is fragile. Break them easily. So I'm trying to move things around. I'm gonna try to starting up here and see if it does come out or not. Best thing to do is put your finger down here and kind of pull this out a little bit, okay? Because it's stuck pretty tight in there. It was got that clip. It's just a clip, but you know, you don't want to break it. If you break this, it's gonna cost some money. Try to find this thing. I don't know where you can find it. Junkyard, maybe. Not this kind of clean car right here. Clip right here, right there. So you have to be careful. You pry, but try not to damage any of these. Most of the tool they have is plastic, but I use more professional tool. But it feel like it's plastic, but use of plastic is probably better for this model. I mean, if you don't know how to use a tool, you can break stuff. So just be careful. Now you want to turn the key on and shift this down. So here's what the clip look like, and this is how it's gonna stay right here. So in the back of that, you can feel it because you won't be able to see it that good. You pull this up like this and then pull it straight out, okay? You're not pressing, you're pulling. Squeeze it, yeah, squeeze it up, squeeze it and then pull it out. And then now you got 7mm right there. You got to take out 1, 2, 3. You're gonna take 4 out. Should be more than 4, but I only see 4. So I'm gonna take this, 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 and that out. Right there. And the 2 on top, I'm not gonna be able to show you. I don't want to drop that 7mm and looking forward or go in that hole. So I'm gonna do it with 2 hands. Now what you do, I've done it already. I'm gonna show you the clip. You want to pry it out right here. You want to put your pry tool or removing tool right there and pry right here and right there. And this clip right there. And then now you'll be able to see the other 2 7mm. Just remove that. After that, all you have to do is grab right here and pull it straight out, and then you can remove this harness in the back. Now these are the harness in the back. So there was 3 of them and antenna right here. So what you want to do, you reach your finger to the back and push this, pull it out. Same as this, push, pull. Push or squeeze. I consider as push, or well, you can say squeeze, pull it out. And I did remove the clock. And that is it. Now we gotta start working on the radio mounting. It's the wiring you will need because it's got a premium sound. So it's 70, 55, 21. Now if it's, this is more like it too, but it's a cheaper version. So this is made by AI Pack, FWH694. And I like to use Metra better, but from 3 to 12. Here you want to hook up the green to the black together right here. This is not made to watch a DVD, so if you need to get a DVD to watch a DVD, you need a bypass. It's called TR Trick One or something here. Hold on. Yeah, it's called AXTRIG. That's a bypass, so you can watch a video while you're driving. So I use this. The brand name is Vice Grip, so I stripped it. So basically you put it like this, you strip it out right there. We're gonna match color. The color, the only thing is green and black. We'll tap it to the ground together. The rest of them just color to color. So you're gonna have to put, I'm gonna just read only one of them. So gray, black is negative, of course. Purple, green, white. You're gonna have to hook up this blue and white also to blue and white over here, because that's gonna turn on the amp. This is for the antenna adapter, and most radio doesn't have the antenna power up type deal. So most car. And yellow, red, and black. You don't have to hook up the dimmer right there. Some of them just get to be annoying, so I hardly hook this up, because some of them use positive, some use a negative. And then if you hook it up wrong, you can damage your cluster, what is that called? Your instrument panel, basically. It's called the instrument panel. So you do it like that, and then you use a crimper, and you just crimp it like that. This is better than just taping it. So everything's hooked up. The only thing I don't hook up is the reverse signal gear, the dimmer light, and the speeds. And then on the wiring harness itself, I don't use the blue and the orange. The blue is the antenna, and the orange is the dimmer light. So everything else hooked up. I do hook up the blue and white together. I'm gonna tap it to the remote, because he's gonna be installing an amplifier. So now I take the old radio, the OEM. I'm gonna see it's got a left and a right. So you can see the bottom's right and top is right there, and it's gonna hit right there. I'm gonna put the other side, and then as you can see, I just hold it right there, and I'm gonna take a screw that came with the radio and just screw it to this hole, two of this hole right here. And same as right here, they got left and right, as you can see. Make sure this is on the bottom, not the top, because this is for the top right there. It'll be somewhat like this, and you just put the screw wherever you want. That thing, it's gonna stay. Maybe radio's a little bit different, and that's it. And then now we just put screw on here, and it's done. When you put it back in, you just plug it all back in. Make sure you don't forget to hook up the antenna. Now antenna is a little, just an inch short. So because the antenna is this side, the factory was this side, so it's kind of, you had to stretch it a little bit, but try not to break that. And then as you can see, this one fit perfectly and this ain't, so I had to make it work, because I don't have the extension for it today. So I got everything screwed in. Now everything, when it's done, it should look like this. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe below if you like the video. If you don't like the video, that's fine. But yep, if you like it, please help me like and subscribe. But if you don't like it, that's fine.